The original plan was to keep all the things that I got and live happily ever after. But it's 2025. I am always in the kitchen and I deserve to have nice things to make me happy, to make better meals for my family. I'm kidding, but not so kidding, because this Kenwood Multipro XL, it's a food processor and has a lot of different systems in it. And although I have all the machines that are included in this system, it's all in one. I don't need to worry, and it's electric. So I don't need to be peeling things with my hands. I don't need to be hooping and hollering. Life could be fun and easy, and I love technology and new things. When people say, I was not born in the right generation, that's not me. I was born in the right generation because you cannot catch me going through the struggle of doing things and whatnot and hooping and hollering. Ooh, no. So this has an orange juicer, has a slicer, has a blender, it has a normal food processor where you can chop stuff, different types of chopping styles. Oh, I am excited. It has like a big nozzle, so sometimes you don't need to. Sometimes one of my food processors has a really short entrance, so then I need to chop things and it's an extra step. Keep in mind, I'm not trying to sell you this because Matisse paid for all of this, so. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so nice. So this is, I guess, for you want to have chips and whatnot. I'm so excited. You also have the normal whisks. This also works as a for baking and whatnot. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. What is this? If you want to make whipped cream. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the tool for the whisks. That makes sense. I'm really a fast learner when it comes to these things. And they have a bag here that you can use to store all your things. Oh, and it also has the blades. Perfect, because we're gonna use, ooh, it has, I think, 3 or 4 different types of blades. I'm gonna need to see, but having something to store everything is quite clever. I think the first layer is done. I just hope this fits on my kitchen counter. Oh, okay, the orange juicer. Oh, the citrus juicer. I am excited about this because our citrus juicer that we got from Berlin did break. And since I already knew that we would get something like this, I didn't replace it. We have been using the manual squeezers. I think this is for the blender because this also has a blender, and this blender is glass. So you can also chop ice and make different types of ice. We love us some margaritas in this house. And this food processor also has a scale. So you don't need to take things up and I have everything in one machine. I'm so excited. Oh, I also see a spatula there. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I love technology. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. You can chop bread, you can, this is why life is great. I wonder if it fits that, because if it does, it just stays there then. I think it does fit. And lastly, it also has a spatula, like to scrape things. And I assume this must be one of the knives. I think it's the bread knife because it has the searing. You see it here? I'm gonna need to see some tutorials on how to use this because that's a lot of information. And so you have all of the things that this one machine does. He can chop, slice, grate, dice, squeeze, whisk, knead, shape, like making a chip. Oh, we can make crudités, and you have the blender. Oh, I love this. And this dishwasher safe. That is good because it's willing to wash everything by hand. Okay, Now I wonder, how do you unlock this? Is it up? Let me check the instructions. Oh, the thing for the scale is here. So I guess you put it there and okay. Let me read. I'm gonna get I need to learn how to use this thing, so that's exciting. Oh, I am so happy. So let me start with orange juice. What do I need for the orange juice? For the orange juice, I just need this thing. How do you put it? Yeah, it's up. I broke the thing. Cherry fine. How do I put this? Oh, it needs to come. How do I release this? Did they explain to you? I'm a visual learner, so I'm gonna pop my phone out and look for instructions online. So you gotta use both hands. So this goes first, and then locked, and then we put it there. It's not so heavy actually. Perfect. You're gonna be seeing me using this machine really often, so don't worry. But I just wanna try to squeeze some orange because I need to take my MSM, and I always take it with vitamin C. Done. Oh my goodness. Oh, when you have good things. I know that sometimes it's easier. Well, of course, when you don't have the budget. But if you have the budget, get something that is actually good. Get something that's gonna get your life easier, and it's gonna make things better. Like this is so good. Oh my God. I can't. I love technology. So now I'm gonna take my MSM. Today is Tuesday. It's like a powder. And love this. This was for me and Matt. I'm just gonna whisk, no, like stir. MSM in the bottom. Oh, so creamy. Cheers. Stop it. This is great. Stop it. Love it. I'm just happy. Thank you for opening my latest kitchen gadget with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. You're gonna see much more of this type of style. You're gonna see much more of this type of videos because, first of all, I love technology. You already know. I don't know how many times I said this, and I'm gonna be using this machine every day from now on. Thank you so much.